You are meeting your long distance relationship partner for the first time. Where is he sleeping? The sofa, alone in a hotel, or in your room? What's your biggest fear when it comes to a long distance relationship? If your long distance partner asks you to wait 5 years before being together, would you do it? Should someone in a long distance relationship send money to a partner they've never met in person? Ay, excuse me, pwede ka ma-interview? Kahit 2 minutes lang. Nag-vlog kami. Ano lang, 4 questions lang. What's your name and age?
Princess po and I'm 19.
How are you tonight, princess?
I'm fine po.
Okay, so princess, here's the question, okay? You are meeting your long distance relationship partner for the first time. Where is he sleeping? The sofa, alone in a hotel, or in your room?
For me po alone to the hotel po. Kasi pag after po nun pwede man po kami magkita ng personal, magbanding, magkakilala po. Yan po.
She said alone in a hotel, and after that they could meet and to get to know each other more. But how about if he said he's scared to be alone?
Pwede naman po sa sofa or para po ma-meet na din po yung parents ko, magkakilala po. Yan.
He could also sleep in the sofa if he's scared in the hotel. He can he can sleep in the sofa, and at the same time he could meet her parents. If your long distance partner asks you to wait 5 years before being together, would you do it? Yes or no?
Yes po. If it's a true love po, na kaya niya din po maghintay in 5 years.
Okay. She said that if he could also wait, then of course, yes. And if it's true love, right? Okay. Now, should someone in a long distance relationship send money to a partner they've never met in person? Yes or no?
Siguro po no. Kasi po parang din naman, di pa po masyadong nagkikita, hindi pa po.
She said no because they've never met in person. So no. Wow. Are you still studying?
Yes po.
What is your course, princess?
FSC po.
What is that?
Fitness sports coaching.
Do you like sports?
Yes po.
Oh, is there any specific sports do you study?
Volleyball po. Volleyball.
So you're good in volleyball.
Yes po.
Ay, excuse me. Ma'am, pwede ka ma-interview kahit 2 minuto lang. Ay, thank you. What's your name and age po?
Okay. My name is Rika and I'm 25 years old.
You look very pretty, Ma'am Rika. Okay. Anyway, here's the question. You're meeting your long distance relationship partner for the first time. Where is he sleeping? The sofa, alone in a hotel, or in your room?
Um, mhm. I didn't experience pa po kasi. But I guess, we will sleep together because as he is my long time boyfriend or ano po. And I know naman po na we're in a relationship and we know each other, so there's nothing wrong with that naman po. So,
Okay. Even though it's the first time that you're meeting him, right? It's okay.
kasi long time, yeah, yes, kasi I believe naman na I believe that we know each other through naman po, through I didn't experience pa kasi that one. So,
She said that they could sleep in her room because they've been in a long distance relationship for, okay, like they know each other already. Okay, this one. What's your biggest fear when it comes to a long distance relationship?
um, ano ba yung loko sa ano? To be full, ganun. Full ba yung sa ano? To be full, yung loko, ganun.
Yeah, to be fooled.
Why? Kasi, of course, I wasted my time. I wasted my time for him. I trusted him. And then, at the end of the day, um, that will be happen. So I guess it will really hurt me a lot. Ganun po.
To be fooled. Mom is trying her best to speak in English. Okay, and we really appreciate that. Okay, next, if your long distance partner asked you to wait 5 years before being together, would you do it?
um, First, I will ask the question. I will ask if the reason, of course, can. But mhm, it depends on the reason. Kasi if the reason is it is not really unacceptable, then I will not I will not accept it. Ganun. It
What
depends on the reason.
what if he's doing it like he needs to work first before, you two can be together?
Um, I think it's case to case basis. But I guess I'm really po.
You're not gonna wait. Okay, you're not gonna wait for 5 years.
We wait we've been together for long distance relationship, but we still have to wait it pa. So until when?
But how about he can visit you like once a year, like that?
Mm, um I don't
Still no. Okay, well, that's her answer. Okay, anyway, last one, ma'am. Should someone in a long distance relationship send money to a partner they've never met in person?
I think for me, I would really appreciate that, but it is not necessary. But if he will do, then I will just receive it because as a partner of him, I think it is acceptable naman po. So I think I will receive it, but I don't need. It is necessary, and I don't need to beg or ask for it.
What's your name and age?
Sky po, I'm 21.
Are you full Filipino or you're half?
Filipino lang po.
You're meeting your long distance relationship partner for the first time. Where is he sleeping? The sofa, alone in a hotel, or in your room?
The sofa?
The sofa.
Yeah.
What's your biggest fear when it comes to a long distance relationship?
Wait. We will find another one.
If your long distance partner asks you to wait 5 years before being together, would you do it?
I think yes. If he's loyal to me, I will wait for him even if 5 years po.
Should someone in a long distance relationship send money to a partner they've never met in person?
Yes, I think yes po.
Are you still studying, Sky?
Yes po.
May we know what's her course?
BS criminology po.
Wow! With that pretty face, so you're gonna be like a police officer like that.
Yes po. Maybe.
Oh, may I know why? Why police?
Because ano po, someday I want to be a policewoman talaga.
That's your dream.
Yeah, that's my dream.
What's your name and age?
My name is Clara, 22 years old.
Clara. There's a drama here in the Philippines. Mara and Clara. Mara Clara. Okay. But anyway, here's the question. Clara, right? Okay, you're meeting your long distance relationship partner for the first time. Where is he sleeping? The sofa, alone in a hotel, or in your room?
Hotel.
What if he said that he's scared in the hotel, like to be alone? He wants, someone like you to be with him.
Kaibahan siya sa hotel?
Yes. What? You're gonna come? Yes or no?
First time mag-meet up, tapos sa hotel, syempre makatulog. So siguro, day mo na magtaid kasi first time pa din naman magkaiba.
Okay, so if it's their first time to meet up in person, no, they couldn't sleep together like in a hotel. Okay, how about he sleep in the sofa in the hotel and you in the bed? Do you think it's possible?
No, no.
Still no. Okay. Now this one. What's your biggest fear when it comes to a long distance relationship? Biggest fear?
Basta mo ba na eh?
No fear?
No.
No fear. Okay. If your long distance partner asks you to wait 5 years before being together, would you do it? Yes or no?
No.
Oh, okay, no. May we know why?
Hindi, ano ito?
Just now. Okay. Should someone in a long distance relationship send money to a partner they've never met in person?
No. Siyempre, no.
Okay, no. You are meeting your long distance relationship partner for the first time. Where is he sleeping? The sofa, alone in a hotel, or in your room?
In the sofa po. Yeah.
So I think that's very common here in the Philippines, right? We interviewed earlier and she said in the sofa. Maybe know why.
Maybe because it's a respect for me. Especially it's the first time we're gonna meet, and I feel like if we're gonna sleep together in the same room, I feel like he should go like on the couch instead of like sleeping beside me. Because if at the same time, it's not just I don't feel safe. It's just I'm not comfortable enough to yeah to beside him.
You're not comfortable. When is the time you're gonna feel comfortable with him?
I feel like after like 3 days together, how we spent together, I feel like yeah, that's gonna be
So 3 days he can sleep in your room.
yeah.
Okay. Now, what's your biggest fear when it comes to a long distance relationship?
I feel like it's not really about fear, it's just it's about how you guys communicate each other, how things really set boundaries, especially if you guys gonna talk about it and like one on one. It's kind of like fear of like expectations to feel like how do I say this? I never really met someone, so I feel like if I'm going, it's my fear to I don't know fear ko. Feel like to be disappointed. Yeah.
Disappointed. Okay. If your long distance partner asked you to wait 5 years before being together, would you do it?
Yeah. Because there's always a reason behind of those circumstances situation if that person really wants you to wait, if that person is really th- that's really how the if the person is really uh the if the person deserves the kind of waiting, yeah, I can wait.
Even in those 5 years, he's not gonna visit you at least a week or nothing. No, no, it's fine.
Yeah, because it's not really about the physical touch. It's about the time, the effort, the be you guys consistent to talk each other, to connect each other. I think it's the kind of way to show how much you guys really want to be together.
Should someone in a long distance relationship send money to a partner they've never met in person?
As a person who also experienced that, it's kind of embarrassed. Not in a way, in a bad way, but feel like I have my own money. I can buy whatever I want. But if the guy really insisted, I mean, what can I do? He really, a lot of my friends told me that if he really wanted to pay for my meals or things that I want, then go ahead. It's that way. He really wants to show how much he cares for me or how much he loves me, and it's not really about how you guys how the distance really matter. It's about how you really care for each other.
How much is reasonable? Let's say for 1 month.
It really depends. It really depends on how you guys talk, how you guys make
how you guys take a journey together. It really depends on the relationship.
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time, Beth. Thank you. You're welcome. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.